How do I determine which Office 2007 service pack is installed? How can I determine the service pack running for Office 2007?
Start any Office application, such as Word. Click on the Office menu, upper left. Click Word Options at the bottom of the menu. There, select Resources on the left. The version number will be displayed alongside the About button on the right. Official answer from MS is not that easy.
In any Office product, click on Help About. Just realize there's no help menu in Office 2007, which may well be why you were asking. One product that does still have the normal menus is Outlook 2007, so you can do it there. The About screen on mine says, Microsoft Office Outlook 2007, 12.0.650.4.5000, SP2 MSO, 12.0.642.5.1000, which is Service Pack 2. In Word, Office button, Word Options, Resources, and then you can see the version number at the bottom.
I got the current product number from Johannes Rossel's technique, then compared to this from Einix's link.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.